Hi, this is Illinois injury attorney Scott DeSalvo. Have you been injured at work? If you or a loved one has been injured at work, you probably have 1,000 questions and worries, such as, how can we make sure the doctor bills get paid? Do I have a good case? What if the company gets mad at me or wants to fire me? How can I make sure my rights are protected? What's a fair settlement in my case? What if the company says they have no workers' comp insurance? And how can I know if I'm being taken advantage of? And you probably have dozens of other unanswered questions and worries. You need answers, but you probably don't want the hassle of calling a lawyer, because what if he charges you a fee, gives you a hard sell to try and get you to hire him, or follows up with you with endless phone calls and questions? I'm about to share with you the insider secrets about work accident and workers' comp cases and claims that many lawyers don't even know. This information will answer your questions and concerns. It does not require that you call and talk to anyone, and it's 100% easy and free. This is a time-limited offer, and when it's over, it's over. And it's only for people injured in Illinois and only for those who've been injured in a work-related accident who need to learn how to protect their rights. Let me be completely honest. I get calls every month from people who did not know these secrets before calling me, and not knowing this information ruined their cases. You're probably losing sleep at night and worrying during the day about what your rights are, what you're supposed to be doing next, and whether you're going to be cheated out of what Illinois law says is owed to you and your family. Having this information is essential to anyone who's been injured or who has a loved one who's been injured. It can literally mean the difference between winning and losing a work injury workers' comp claim. That's why I put this information together to help people protect their right to recovery to get what they're entitled to under Illinois law, and I'm offering it free of any charge or obligation. I'm offering you my new book, The 5 Biggest Secrets of Illinois Injury Cases and Claims. Now, this is not a law book. It's fun to read, written in a conversational style, but it highlights the 5 biggest roadblocks, mistakes, and pitfalls people who have been injured make. And it shows you the tips and tricks you need so that you can protect your rights. You'll also get my audio CD and special report, Insurance Secrets Exposed. So if you don't feel like sitting down and reading a book or a report, you can listen to the audio CD and still get this must-have exclusive and essential information that not 1 in 10,000 people knows. Among many other things, you're going to learn what to say and what never to say to an insurance adjuster or nurse case manager. What papers are okay to sign and which will end your case before it even begins. Filing deadlines, which can mean the death of your case if you miss them. What employers and insurance companies really think of you and your case. And the one step to take that gives you the best peace of mind if you or a loved one has been injured at work. The best part, you get it all for 100% free and no obligation at all. There's no one to talk to, no one will ask you any questions or hassle you. You're getting this information as a public service so that people like you who are injured or have a family member injured at work are on a fair level playing field. But I can't offer all of this for free forever, so take advantage now while it's still available. To get your book and audio CD shipped out to you via first-class mail, just call my toll-free 24-hour recorded message line, 866-861-1296. All you do is leave your full name and mailing address, and the book and CD will be shipped out to you at no cost to you and with no obligation. And let me tell you, I take free and no obligation very seriously. No one is going to call you to ask you questions about your claim or bother you. The number again, 866-861-1296. So why should you listen to me? Well, I've been practicing injury law on behalf of injured people for more than a decade. And I've personally handled more than 1,000 injury cases, and that includes hundreds of work injury cases. I've spoken with thousands more people who called my office and didn't know the secrets or the rules of injury cases, and not knowing, they paid for it. In some cases, they lost their cases, or their case value was greatly reduced. Please don't let this happen to you. Don't just take my word for it. You can see what my clients say about me on my website, www.desalvolaw.com. I've seen the problems people run into in work injury workers' comp cases, and I know how to fix them, so there's no reason why you shouldn't have this information too. My personal guarantee is that after you order your free no-obligation book and CD, No one from my office is going to call you to pressure you to hire me or to ask for more information or bother you. The only reason we would call you is if we didn't catch your full name or your correct mailing address and we needed that information to mail the package out to you. Your information remains 100% safe with me. I don't share it with anyone, and I don't tell anyone that you ordered my book and CD. Now, I might send you a holiday card or a telephone message or newsletter to say hello or happy holidays, but that's about it. No one is going to call you and hassle you. I also guarantee that you're going to enjoy the materials I send you. You're going to learn new things that will help you protect yourself and your family, and you're going to feel more calm, more confident, and you're going to have a better idea going forward of what you should and should not be doing and what to expect in your injury claim. To order now, free and no obligation, call 866-861-1296. It's a recorded message line where you leave your name and mailing address. 866-861-1296. Even if you don't like the book and CD, what do you have to lose? It doesn't cost you anything, not a dime, but it could save you thousands or more if it helps you avoid a problem in an injury case in the future. If you don't take advantage of this time-limited free offer, nothing will change for you. You're still going to be nervous and uncertain about what to expect in your injury claim. You're not going to be clued into the rules of workers' comp cases, and you're going to be less able to protect your rights and protect the value of your case. Please don't fool yourself into thinking that the workers' comp and personal injury case and claim system will protect you automatically. It will not. Do not be one of those people who trusts the legal system or an insurance company to make sure that everything comes out fair or all right. It's not going to happen. We have an adversary system in our legal system, and the more you know, the more you can avoid doing or saying something that could impact your future forever. My book and CD hand you the key to unlocking your peace of mind, knowing that you've learned the most common ins and outs of work injury cases. Again, that toll-free number, 866-861-1296. 866-861-1296. Thanks for watching, and good luck.